Good morning, students. We will continue our chapter, The Proposal. It's cold. I am trembling all over, just as if I had got an examination before me. Now, Lomo, he was feeling cold. Why? As he was going to express his views, he was trembling all over, just as if he had got an examination before him. The great thing is, I must have my mind made up. If I give myself time to think, to hesitate, to talk a lot, to look for an ideal or for real love, then I will never get married. Now, he thinks if he will hesitate, if he will talk a lot, if he will look for an ideal or for real love, then he will never get married. But it's cold. Natalia Stepanovna is an excellent housekeeper, not bad looking. Now he thinks the lady, she is an excellent housekeeper and she is not bad looking. She is well educated. What more do I want? But I am getting a noise in my ears from excitement. Now, what more do I want? I am getting a noise. Now he was getting a noise in his ears from excitement, as he was excited. Drinks. And it's impossible for me not to marry. Now he is willing to marry, so he says it's impossible for me not to marry. In the first place, I am already 35. Now his age is 35 years, a critical age, so to speak. In the second place, I ought to lead a quiet and regular life. He was willing to live a quiet and regular life. I suffer from palpitations. I am excitable and always getting awfully upset. Now he suffered from palpitations and he was excitable and always getting awfully upset. At this very moment my lips are trembling. Now as he was going to express his love, so at that very moment his lips were trembling and there is a twitch in my right eyebrow, and there was a twitch in his right eyebrow. But the very worst of all is the way I sleep. Now he says the worst of all is the way he sleep. I no sooner get into bed and begin to go off when suddenly something in my left side gives a pull and I can feel it in my shoulder and head. Now he says that as he began to sleep, what happens? Suddenly something in his left side gives him a pull and he can feel it in his shoulder and head. I jump up like a lunatic, walk about a bit and lie down again. Now he says that he jump up like a lunatic, like a mad person, and he walk about a bit and lie down again. But as soon as I begin to get off to sleep, there is another pull, and again as he tries to sleep, what happens? There is another pull, and this may happen 20 times and it repeats 20 times. Natalia Stepanovna comes in. The lady comes in. Natalia, well, there, it's you. And Papa said, go, there is a merchant come for his goods. How do you do, Ivan Vasilyevich? Now, she was surprised to see the person and she said, oh, it's you. Papa said, go. He said me that there is a merchant come for his goods, but here you are. How do you do? Lomov, how do you do, honor Natalia Stepanovna? In the same way, he also repeated the same words and he also asked, how do you do? Natalia, you must excuse my apron and negligee. We are shelling peas for drying. Now she said, you must excuse my apron and negligee. We are shelling peas for drying. Why haven't you been here for such a long time? Where was you? Why haven't you been here for such a long time? Sit down. They seat themselves. Now she says, sit down please, and they sit themselves. Won't you have some lunch? Now she asked for lunch. Lomo, no thank you, I have had some already. Lomo replied, no thank you, I have had some already. I have already taken some. Natalia, then smoke. Here are the matches. Then she said, then smoke. Here are the matches. You can take matches. The weather is splendid now. The weather is splendid. But yesterday it was so wet that the workmen didn't do anything all day. But yesterday the weather was not favorable. It was so wet that the workmen didn't do anything all day. They were free. How much hay have you stacked? Just think, I felt greedy and had a whole field cut. I was greedy. I was greedy and had a whole field cut, and now I am not at all pleased about it because I am afraid my hay may rot. But now I am afraid that my hay may rot. I ought to have waited a bit, but what is this? Why you are in evening dress? Now she asks, why you are in evening dress? Well, I never. Are you going to a ball or what? Are you going for a party? Are you going for a ball or what? Though I must say you look better, but you are looking better. Tell me, why are you got up like that? Tell me, what is the reason? Why are you got up like that? So we will continue it tomorrow.